Introducing the MEGABACK Airbag Max Backpack, the wheeled version of our airbag backpack. With integrated compression technology, the detachable compartment provides even more space, allowing you to pack up to 80 liters. You can use the portable pump to compress your gear anytime, anywhere. Inside the backpack, there are 2 odor-free, waterproof pockets, a large quick-access compartment at the front, and a laptop compartment that easily fits an 18-inch laptop. Alternatively, you can remove the compression compartment and use a packing cube instead. There's also a spot for your water bottle, a weight handle, a USB charging port, and an expandable zipper to create more space. Join us in changing the way you travel. Get 50% off now during our Black Friday sale. Don't miss it.